Hey guys, it's Anarchy, and today I'm going to show you how I made the gold halo crown for my SZA makeup tutorial. The things that you're going to need are zip ties, gold paint. You should probably use gold spray paint, but I only had acrylic paint, so I just used that, and a headband. And you're basically just going to tie the zip ties around the headband. And what I did specifically is I used one full-length one, and I cut 3 smaller ones to about the point where the little indentations in them stop. It's about an inch that was cut off, and then I just kept wrapping them around the headband until it was filled up. I used about 30 zip ties, I think. Next, I put on the paint using a little sponge, and I did kind of a sloppy application on purpose because I wanted it to have more of an antique realistic feel rather than just being purely painted gold. If you want that, then you can use acrylic paint or just do a messier application with spray paint. If you want a completely even coat, I recommend using spray paint. Spray paint in general would have been easier, but I only had acrylic paint, but I still love how it came out. After that, you just let it dry, and then you'll have your very own angelic halo crown. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!